Hi, I'm Andrew, the retail and web store manager at Beyond the Pale. Welcome. Today I'm talking about the Darkness, our oat stout. 5.6%, super delicious. My favorite beer here. Perfect pour. The Darkness is our 5.6% oat stout, one of my favorites. It's been one of our mainstays since day one. Shane is just really good at making stouts, and this is proof. It's lasted the test of time. We haven't really changed it in 10 years. So we use oat to sort of fill out the body a little bit, give it that fluffy feeling. Also, the chocolate malts that we use give it that chocolatey, dark chocolate espresso taste that we've all come to love from the Darkness. Cheers! Oh yeah, that's good. That's good and smooth. So, to get yourself some of this delicious beauty, why don't you come down, see me at the tap room, or head on over to btpshop.ca where you can order and have it delivered straight to your house.